Welcome food lovers to your very own Sohinis kitchen. Today I am here with a very tasty crispy fish recipe, Topse Fry. You can enjoy this as a starter or you can have it with rice. So let's take a look at the recipe. Use little water to make the paste. The marination should not be too watery, it should be thick. The topse is now ready to be dipped into the batter and fried. So set it aside for some time. And in the meantime, we will prepare the batter. The consistency of the batter should be like this. It should be thick and not too flowy. Coat the fishes with the batter and then fry on medium to high heat until they are golden brown in color. Fry the fishes in small batches so that they don't stick to each other while getting fried. The Topse Fry is now ready. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any question regarding this recipe, or if you want to share a feedback or a suggestion for a future recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the Topse Fry with your family and friends.